What are you looking for?
Are you the gate man?
Yes. Did your mother send you?
We will get back to you. How many years experience do you have?
That one, I have a lot of experience, like up 20 years.
20 years experience.
The challenge I'm having, the money is very small. We're paying just 250,000. I don't think people can pay up.
Welcome to school too.
Bàbá tí àjọ mú lòwe ya.